So it's hard to tell because this is a JK frame. So this is the JK horn. This is a JK adapter. So that's at 34 inches right there. Has it between these two. So as such, that'll be that one mounting hole, and it'll be shimmed out. More than likely just bring it out a little bit. And then I'll buy a Chevy mounting bar that goes from over here in this hole somewhere, wherever it is, right here, where my finger is. It'll come back through here and mount to the frame. Or I'll bend one and make one if I don't. Not able to find one. Same on the other side. Stiffen up the frame. Look at all this real estate right here that could be like perfect for a hidden winch up in here, right here. Boom! Yeah. I doubt I'm going to do it. I don't need it. It would be cool for looks, though. So, yeah. And this is like a mid-80s Chevy bumper, I believe it is. This one is pretty much damaged how it came to me. Let the fat 60-year-old get up off the deck. Oh. All right. So, yeah, they dented it down here and completely dented it in over here because this is all big humpy. I have another one of these over in storage. So this is going to be my front bumper. I'm like stressing out about the fact that I don't have the V cut in the middle. I don't care anymore. I look at some of the Fords, some of the Chevys. They have a lot of reveal here too. So I'm going to go with a lot of reveal. Yeah. There's the rolled edge right there. Right. And then over here, that's the rolled edge. This one's back a little bit further. Well, because it's damaged. There's nothing I can do about that. So, yes, my pie tins are sideways. Whoa. And the brackets I made back in there are not... I didn't put these back on. They didn't understand how my concept worked, how my custom brackets worked. So, that's not their fault. They didn't take them... Well, they did take them off, but that's what it is. All right, I'm out.